Hello everyone, let's revise mock test. So as you can see the mock test on your screen. So question number 1, OTBA, picture based questions. Here you can see the pic. So identify the name of the teacher in the above picture. Who is he who is sitting on the stone, that stone? Yes, Aaron?
And the teacher is Rabindranath Tagore.
Rabindranath Tagore, very good. In which year this school was established? What about others? In which year this school was established? Yes.
When the school was established in 1930.
Yes. Describe the location of school above. (1901) year, this school was established by Rabindranath Tagore ji. Now the next, describe the location of this school. Yes, you can see the surrounding trees and the open space. Yes, anyone else? Yes, Yash. Yash, please explain the location. Yashkar, explain the location.
Ma'am, it is the location of a garden with lots of trees and open space.
It should be the school view that creative learning could be encouraged only within the natural environment. So I choose the set of the school 100 kilometer away from the Calcutta in Rulasang. I saw the abode of peace. And you can see the trees and the open area in this school. Now the next one is why it is important for the founder of the school to make students learn in natural setting. Learn in natural setting. Because in this the student living in harmony with nature and children could cultivate their natural creativity. They could learn their own self. They could able to create with their own idea and imagination. Okay, now move to the next, the case study based question. Here you can see the case study. Early year of industrialization in Japan. So everyone do silent reading and answer these questions. Japanese industrialization developed was linked to, it was linked to the present day construct or that of India. What were the measures taken by Meiji regime to make Japan industrialize? Which kind of measures taken by Meiji? So they taken a series of measures to help industrialization. They opened postal services, telegraph, railway, steam power, shipping were developed. In India, colonial domination created barrier to industrialization. Yes, who can give the answer? Japanese industrial development from beginning was linked to military needs. and the colonial state in India need to expand the market for British goods, so was unwilling to support the Indian industrialization. So yes, the Indian colonial domination created barrier to industrialization in India. Now come to the complete the following table. Here, who said this thing? So you should write down the name over here. Only with the arrival of what such the Thara Mukuttam, our women had became puppet in the hand of their husband. We ended up with this such father who advised their daughters that they had been gifted away of their husbands. They belong to their husband's place. This is the result of association with Sanskrit. Who said this statement? E.V. Ramaswamy. Move to the next. We now want to go to tank only to prove that like other, we are human being. Hindu society should be recognized in two main principles, equality and absence of casteism. Hurry up, find out everyone answer of this. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Next, the Brahman have hidden away the sword of their religion, which has cut the thought of the people's prosperity and now go about posing a great patriots of their country. They give the advice to our Shudras, Muslim and Parsi youth that unless we put away all quarrelings, so that statement given by Jyotirao Phule. Now move to the next statement. Verses from Quran were interpreted by who said this? Yes, Mumtaz Ali. In this popular festival, devotee underwent a peculiar form of suffering as part of ritual worship. Who explained this? Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Now next complete the next. Answer the following short questions. Public sector and joint sector industry. Any one of you can explain public sector and joint sector industry? The industry which is owned by or run by government, and joint sector which is run by the government and the group of individual and group of individual. An example, with example you will explain. Discuss the role of any three factor influencing population change. Which three factor is responsible for the population change? Yes, RN Shinde.
Birth rate and death rate.
And
Immigrants,
migration.
migration.
Yes. Now move to the next. Who was E.V. Ramaswamy Nekar? What did he do to improve the condition of untouchables?
E.V. Ramaswamy Naikar or Perrier was a social reformer who helped to improve the condition of untouchables. He said that he's outspoken a critic of Hindu scriptures, especially the codes of Manu, the ancient lawgiver, and the Bhagavad Gita and Ramayana. He said that these texts had been used to establish the authority of Brahman over lower caste and domination of men over women. He also started self-respect movement. He argued that untouchables were the true upholders of an original Tamil and Dravidian culture, which had been subjugated by the Brahmins. He
Thank you,
felt
beta.
that all religions
He felt that the all religious authorities saw the social division and the inequality as God given, and untouchable had to free themselves from all religions to achieve equal social status.